Hello everyone, welcome to my channel HirenSays. Today we are going to review the much awaited Amazon Echo frames. The Echo frames are currently being offered as day one edition products, which means you would need an invitation to buy these from Amazon. Here I am unboxing them, and I must say I'm impressed with the packaging of the product. Generally I don't care about the packaging as much as I care about the product, but I did notice that they are pretty serious about how this product should be perceived. My first impression with the Echo frames is that it's incredibly lightweight. They feel as good as normal glasses. The design could be a little better though. This one gives you a pretty nerdy look when you wear them. So while unboxing it, you would find pretty standard things. It comes with a really nice case for the Echo frames. The quality is really good. It feels really good in hand. And inside that you would find an adapter and a charging cable as well as a separate cleaning cloth. So this is where you would find the cleaning cloth, and beneath it you would find the regular charging adapter and the charging cable. So yeah, this is the adapter that you would be using it to charge the Echo frames, and this is the charging cable that you'll be using along with the adapter. And this charging cable has the magnetic strip on it, so it will easily plug into the Echo frames to charge them. So one thing that I notice is that it doesn't folds like a normal glasses because of the thick rims that it has. So it will not completely fold, but you can work it out, and the case is big enough that it can host it. Now along with this you will also get some instruction card and a user guide. So the first instruction card is about how to get started, how to set the Echo frames with the Alexa app, and it's pretty straightforward. And the other instruction card is about that you need to take it to your optician because they are smart glasses. It need to be handled with certain care. You cannot apply too much heat on it. You cannot put it under any machine. Uh, so you need to take care of that. And the user guide is pretty straightforward. It walks you through the entire Echo frames, specifications, and certain other information. So this is it from the unboxing side, and let's set it up with my iPhone 11 Pro. And the Echo frames will only work with iOS 13 and above. So we are in the Alexa app in my iPhone, and as per the instruction, it says that you keep and hold the power button until it kind of switches the light between red and green. And once you do that, you will get prompted by the Alexa app itself that Echo frames have found nearby. So you click on setup. It is going to take you to the next screen. You click on continue by accepting the terms and condition, and you keep following the steps to set it up, and you'll be prompted to select an accessory. So that would be Echo frames and some 4-digit random number. So it seems that the Echo frames required some sort of another version of the Alexa app, so I had to go to the App Store and update the Alexa app. And I can assume that since it is in the private beta sort of way, they are only giving the updates to the user who have already got them. So once you install this application, you are good to go. Everything should be set up, and you should be able to start using the Amazon Echo frames. So in the next part, we are going to test Amazon Echo frames. I have tried to make it work so that you can hear what it's saying. Alexa, who is Alexa?
That's me. I'm a virtual assistant who can help you with lots of things. And for a little more about me, here's a simple melody. Ahem. Hey there. Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two. Anytime you're game. Get organized or be surprised, just say my name. I've got timers, reminders, alarms, lists, Bluetooth calls and messages, jokes, songs, stories, games, weather, skills, and Easter eggs.
Alexa.
Get the news, crank some tunes,
Alexa,
hear the score.
stop. Alexa, what's the weather?
In South Jordan, it's 28 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for mostly clear skies, with a low of 20 degrees.
Thanks for watching this video. I also tried calling with echo frames and listening to music. It works fairly well. I was fascinated with such kind of tech. And with the price range, I would say that it's totally worth it. You can definitely go for it. Let me know how did you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.